Now just run it, let's see does that work or not.
Let me just fix it a little. Down a little. What?
It should be the W and S only, otherwise this thing will happen.
But they move in the same time.
Yeah, if you do up arrow and down arrow they will move at the same time, because the other one is up arrow and down arrow.
Okay. Then you make this one A. This one M.
A and M are so away from each other. How will you
Then
handle that?
this.
At least do A and Z. A and B are also far away from each other on the keyboard.
Oh yes.
Make
Then
it W and S, that will be the most useful. Or you can do A and Z if you want.
S.
Yeah, and on the top make it W. Otherwise you will lose the coordination, because A and S are side by side. Yeah. Now do it. And you can control the right one with the arrow keys.
Oh.
Oh, the scoring doesn't work for you. I guess you have to change the scoring.
I think I didn't do the scoring yet.
Okay.
Okay, let me start making it.
You already have the scoring at the bottom. You just need to change the scoring.
So this and this, where was the scoring part?
I guess the scoring part is in the stage.
Ball? Me, oh, which the image is set scored here. What is this over here?
That is the blue score.
Oh, set lower to whoa. Set blue to 0. Have to code D both at the same time.
You can code it in the
Where?
ball if you want.
Here?
Ball or the... Okay. Just decide what you will do. Fine. Either you can do it in the... delete it. Delete the orange one.
Okay.
Just a second. Okay, you have to go to the ball. I guess you have deleted some code in the ball. Oh, you have not coded that. Fine. So what do you have to do? When the green flag is clicked,
Over here?
forever. If take the if. Okay, fine. If touching player blue.
Wait, I did all this in the player blue. I didn't do it in the ball.
It's not there in the ball.
That's cool.
When it shakes up, just leave it.
Now I got it. And now I will delete the blue ones.
Oh, you have the code over here. Oh, you have it already. Wait. This is fine. But why it is not bouncing from the player? Oh, because you have clicked on it. Click on the red button and click on the green button again. Now it's okay. Fine. I thought you deleted the code. Fine. Now, over there, remove the. Okay, you don't have to do that thing.
Touching the.
Just remove the touching mouse pointer.
But it's not still working. Like when it touches the blue line, it's not giving a point for the blue. When it touches the blue line,
Because you have not coded for that. You have to code for that. So let's go to the variables. Take the set blue. Okay. Place it over
Wait,
there.
am I
Take
supposed
another set blue.
in this
No.
set blue to 0.
And then again take set blue to 0 and change it to orange. Third one. Now let's take a forever.
On
No, not inside that. If you do it inside that, then every time it will be 0. Now take a if inside the forever. Now take touching blue, touching color blue. Touching color,
yes.
the second one. Yeah. Okay. Change. Yeah. Okay. Then the blue score will increase. Click outside. Go to variables. Change blue by 1.
Yeah, I understood the code now.
Okay.
Now do the same thing for the orange. Just put another if in it. Right? Like this. Now touching. Wait, not this one. Touching color. Orange. And then change orange by 1. We got 4 already.
It's again wrong. You got the code wrong. The second if should be outside the first if. Why will it be inside?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, outside. Oh, you deleted it.
Like this.
Again, you placed it in the wrong place. You are placing one inside the another. It will be below it.
Below it.
below the previous if. Yeah, now it's
I
fine.
started it before, but it didn't work.
No, it was inside the other if. It was not over there.
Now it was like code again.
It was over here. The previous day. I mean, not the previous day. The previous time. The last time.